Hey folks, John's back. I got a webcam now, so let's see what damage I can do online when you can see my face. This is a trade from Friday, SPX, two contracts. Friday was weird because you didn't have settled funds because it was a banking holiday for Veterans Day. So the volume, price action, and volatility were all pretty low compared to normal. This would have been a really nice trade profit wise. It was still a good trade, but I didn't see the explosive SPX return that you normally see with what turned out to be got in at 39.72 to 39.54, an 18-point move. Probably would have seen about 150 a contract. Instead, it was more like 80. But hey, profits are profits, and we never complain about that. So right here, we see our classic 222 reversal. We hit the highs of the day at around 10:30, came back down, green BT cloud getting tighter, and the 9 and the 14-day EMA, the yellow and the green, also becoming tighter as well. You can see we had a push up, a little push down, a push up, a push down, and I thought this was a good entry on the 3-minute chart when we see the BT cloud flip into the red. So we entered at the bottom of the wick of this green candle, like we always do. Our stop is set up at the top of this this green candle. You can see it was never challenged. We came down, had a little bit of a retracement as we bounced off the 50 EMA, but our stop clearly protected from this small push up. A slight, but it's what you like to see, a 45-degree retracement and then pushing back down again. I had the sell target at the bottom of this candle or this wick. It's the same spot. You can also see right here we had a little bit of a resistance zone as this was trying to push through earlier in the day. So it was a great sell point, nice safe trade on the day Friday. This, you might also say, like, hey, this was another great 222 push. But look, I don't like trading these huge candles into a move. This guy over here, nice, more controlled. You see the clearly defined up wicks and the push downs and a clear entry. This guy is a little bit more unstable. That's a fairly good 9-point push down, and then even from here another 5-point push down before it rallied and came back up. You would have entered here at the top of the candle. You would have had a great start if you would have taken your profits like you should right at the top of this guy. That would have been a great little trade. 7 minutes, bang bang boom, $100 probably, and in and out. But if you waited, this wick would have scared the crap out of you. It would have came back up, came back down, and then this guy would have been really, really close to stopping you out. But you would have survived if you set your stop just right, and then you would have enjoyed this nice little push up here. So that would have been a nice play from 39.51 to 39.81. But looking back, I don't know where you would have got your sell point, and you would have had to go, there's nothing there. So this would have been just a lucky hold if you did place it. Later in the day, you can see this did just keep on creeping up after that push right into the end of the day. For another positive day on the SPY and the SPX. So that was my trade from Friday. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you get anything from it, once again, another clearly defined sell target that was beautifully hit, and then it bounced right back up. So look at your charts, pick your sell points, and then have the discipline to stick to them. Try to avoid the quick V's. You want a nice rounded push. Like this guy, you could tell it was losing steam. It's a higher low, but then a lower high, the same spot, and you get this nice rounded push down. That's what we like. That's what I like to trade, this nice rounded push. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you next time.